So do you want to learn how to integrate N8N with LinkedIn so that you can do lots of LinkedIn automations with N8N? So make sure that you guys follow this complete video. Step by step, we have taught each and every step how to integrate LinkedIn with N8N. Now, guys, I just want to tell you that when we talk about LinkedIn, okay, so they have two type of a thing, okay, which is known as a personal account, and one is your company, that is the business page account. So in this tutorial we will going to cover, okay, about how you can connect your LinkedIn personal. So this particular will help you to post or do anything in your LinkedIn personal account. And if you want to publish anything or post anything, maybe, or do any sort of automation on your, let's say, LinkedIn company page, that is the business page, so this is where your this particular integration, which is LinkedIn business, will going to help you out. Okay, so now let's see how you can set up the complete personal as well as business. Okay guys, so if you want to connect your LinkedIn with, let's say, N8N, so how you can set it up? So make sure that first you must have the LinkedIn account and a company page. Okay, so you can create a company page from here. So you can just come here and you will see the option to create a company page. Okay, so requirement, a profile with company page. After this, just go to your LinkedIn. Okay, just go to LinkedIn developers. Okay, so just search for LinkedIn developer. Just go here to developer.linkedin.com. Okay, just come up over here, and once you guys do this, okay, so all you need to do is to simply click on create app, or you can just go to my apps for now, and here you will see all your list of apps for now. In case we don't have any, so I will simply going to click on create app. Just name it, let's say, whatever you want. So I have named it, let's say, app name LinkedIn page. Now if you go here to your LinkedIn profile, okay, and just click on your LinkedIn profile here, and it will show you your LinkedIn, page. And here you guys have to click on view as a member, tap on it, and here you guys will going to see your URL. Copy it, go here, paste it. Just make sure, if you remove it, or let me tell you, if you go here, okay, wait, let me show you guys. So here you guys can see we have this particular URL, so you have to just copy from, till this HTTP, okay, till here. Okay, just copy till here. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So I will just going to copy it from here like this. Just go here and paste it here, okay, like this. And if you have a privacy policy page, so make sure that you paste it over here. Okay, so let's say if you have a website, so it's something not required, so you can just go to your, if you have any privacy policy page, you can just go here and just click on this privacy policy. In my case, kukucourses.com is my website, and I have this privacy policy. So I will just going to copy and paste it, let's say, over here. But I guess this is not that much required. All the required things are app name and LinkedIn page. Okay, so even if you don't put your privacy policy URL, that doesn't matter. And you also have to attach your logo. So let me just put my company logo. This one I will upload it. Click on I have read and agree to the terms and condition. Click on create app. Okay, so once you guys do this, you will come up to the product, and here click on request access under your product. Okay, share on LinkedIn. Click on it, read your terms and condition, and click on request access. And once you do this, just wait for a few seconds. Awesome, so this has been granted access. And here you guys will going to see this option, sign with LinkedIn using OpenAI option. Okay, so you also have to make sure that you click on request and also give the access to it as well. Awesome. So these two are done. Okay, and rest we don't have to do anything over here. Now you just simply have to go to let's say your oath. Tap on your oath. You will see it over here. Wait. Okay, just go to settings first, and okay, just make sure that you first refresh it, and then click on oath. And now if you go to your N8N, click on credentials. Okay, and at the top here you guys can see this arrow. Click on create credentials and just search for, let's say, LinkedIn. Okay, so here you can just go LinkedIn, continue, and this will going to ask you. You can also name it to, let's say, LinkedIn. Okay, whatever name you want to do. It will ask you two things. One is the client ID and client secret. So you have got your client ID, whatever client ID you have, just copy it, paste it over here, client ID. Okay, your client secret, just copy it, make sure don't share with anyone else, remove it, paste your client secret here. And before you click on this button, connect my account, first turn these two off. Make sure that you have this OAuth redirect URL, just click to copy it. Once you copy it, just go here, and here you guys will going to see we have this option right over here, which is OAuth 2 point settings, authorize redirect URL for your app. Edit it, paste your URL. Okay, click on update. Whatever URL you see, just put it here. Just copy it from your LinkedIn, whatever URL you see, and paste it over here. And copy whatever client ID and secret key you have, just copy and paste it here. Once you done it, click on save button first, and then click on connect my account. So now it will ask you your logins, okay, like email and password, and then simply click on sign in button. You will see, and it will ask you the permission, allow, and you will going to see that your connection will be connected. Let's wait. You can see connection is successful. It will just going to take 5 seconds to connect, and boom, you can see now your LinkedIn is connected with your N8N and you can use it. Now one thing which I want to tell you, once you have got the LinkedIn thing, okay, so if you just go to your overview, and let's say if you click on create workflow, so let me just select let's say any of the trigger for now. Let's say if I select trigger manually, and let's say here if I ask maybe for the, let's say, LinkedIn. Okay, let's say create a post. So here, my dear friends, you will only be allowed to post as a person means on your individual account that will be posted. Okay, but let's say if you want to post it on, let's say, your uh, company page. Okay, but let's say in case if you want to publish it in your, let's say, organization, that means your company page, so that is for now not possible. So for that it is something you need to do. By the way, whenever you add as a post as an organization, it will ask you URN number. So URN number is this number which you see at the top here. Okay, so if you can see, wait, let me show you guys. Okay, so at the top you will see on your company page whatever number, so that number you have to put it, so that is the organization URL. But for now let me show you. Let's say for now, if you will going to see, let's say, leave without saving. Okay, so if you go to the credentials, and this is the LinkedIn one. Okay, so this basically integration, you can say it like for the personal account. Okay, and let's say if you save it, if you go here, and let's say if you, let's say, go ahead and let's say create credentials again, and let's say if you again search for LinkedIn. Okay, let's say OAuth2 API, go here, and this time we will going to enable organization support. So you all know that you have put the rest OAuth credentials callback, okay, which we have already added. and it will ask you the client ID. So remember the client ID, just copy this again and paste the client secret, let's say again over here. So remove it, paste it here. Now this time just enable this, but the problem is that if you just save it up for now, before you connect my account, what you need to do is that you need to go to your settings, okay, and here it will say to verify your LinkedIn page. So you just need to first verify it, and this is how it will generate it. So just click on generate URL, and this URL will be generated. Just copy it, okay, paste it in your new tab, go here, and you can just click on the verify, okay, and then boom, it is verified. Just click on continue to LinkedIn developer. Okay, now if you just go here back, and let's say if you click on I am done, and if you let's say try to refresh it, so you can see it's verified. And last thing you have to do is to click on the products, and here you will see this advertising API. So this is something you need to also get the access. So click on request access, enable it, click on request access. It may ask you some information, so just provide those information, that why you are using LinkedIn, for what is your purpose, okay. So you can see here it will show you this access request form, okay. Tap on it, and it will ask you the basic details. So just put, let's say, your company's website, company's address, name, and all such details, and why you are interested to use the LinkedIn with the automation. So that is what you guys can say, and then just submit it. It will hardly going to take 10 minutes, and after that you can just come here and refresh. So you can see that if you go to LinkedIn, so you can see they approve, okay. So I got this, I just submitted the form, and so they said that okay, they will review it, and after review you can see just in within 23 minutes they have approved it, and I got the email. Now I will simply go up over here and try to refresh it, and you can see we have it over here. You can see advertising API. Awesome. So that is what actually we needed. Now you can simply go click on connect my account, and it will just going to ask you for your credits and all. So just go ahead and put all those data. Click on the sign in button, approve it, boom, awesome, connected, and you are good to go. And this is all about how you can integrate N8N with your LinkedIn, okay. So make sure that you name it as a LinkedIn business, okay. Awesome. So that is all we need. Click on save button. You set up both of them. Now you have to use both of them individually. For example, you have LinkedIn personal and LinkedIn business. So whenever you just create, or maybe you're creating, let's say, any workflow, let's say if I tap here, so now you first need to know that where you want to do or add the automation, in your personal account or in your, let's say, business, that is the company account. So let's say if you have here, let's say we select something, okay, as a trigger. Let's say now I want LinkedIn create a post. Now it will ask two things, whether you want to post it in personal. So if you want to post in personal account, so just select to personal normal, and once you do this, okay, so everything will be same, and always it will be selected as a person, okay. And then here you guys can just load, that means your the personal name will going to load. If it doesn't load, just open it again, okay. Sometimes it takes time, and it will do, but that is what the thing has to be done. Now let's say if you want to publish it in, let's say, your company account, so all you need to do is that just go here and select to business post, and here you will going to select as a organization, okay. So remember what I said, if you want to post in your, let's say, company account, any, you may have multiple company page, so just go to any of the page where you want the automation to happen. For example, this is the page I have, so I will select simply to LinkedIn business, which we have created, select it to organization, and it will ask you the company where you want to do the automation. So for example, in my case, I have this page, and this page number is this one. I will simply copy it and paste the organization URL number. Now you may have the different company page, so make sure just select that company page where you want to do the automation. So in my case, that is this one, and boom, I can just do it over here. So this is all I wanted to teach you, and hope you guys have got the idea why we created one. Okay, the LinkedIn personal and LinkedIn business. Okay, and this is all I wanted to teach you for this tutorial. Another thing which I want to tell you is that if you go to my website KuKu courses, just go to kukucourses.com here, and then just click on this library, click on free library here, and once you go ahead with it, just click on N8N credentials and integrations. Click on view. By the way, you can also search it here. Let's say N8N credentials, something like this. Automatically it will show you that thing over here as well. Okay, same page. And this is the page where you guys can see other tutorials about how to integrate, let's say, Google services, OpenAI, AI table, Pincone, and in future whatever we will going to add the integration tutorials, all will be listed over here. Even the LinkedIn right now you are watching will also be integrated over here as well. Okay, so make sure if you want to learn it, you can even learn it from here. Another thing is that if you go to our website, okay, and just search for, let's say, AI agent, and you will going to see we have a two course. One is the free course which you guys can take if you want to learn the basics of N8N. It's totally free course for lifetime. Simply click on the start course button, and boom, you can watch all the tutorials over here. Okay, otherwise we also have a paid course just for $5. Okay, I will also going to attach the link below. But these are the courses we have. Just for $5 you can get access to this N8N automation for AI agent masterclass full course. Also, you can take this course through our membership. We have two membership, subscription and lifetime. So if you purchase it, so with this N8N course, you will be able to access other courses we have in our collection. All the courses you can access, okay, through our membership. So this is all I want to tell you. And also from the store, if you want N8N templates, you can just click on the store, and here you will see N8N template. Otherwise you can search product, just go here to N8N templates. Okay, and from here you guys can look for the N8N templates. Okay,